It's the cortex, because you only see glomeruli in the cortex. Okay? So, look right up here. See these little balls that you see? Those are glomeruli. See how smooth the outer edge is? That's the capsule. Not Bowman's capsule, it's the capsule of the kidney capsule, renal capsule. Okay, now let me switch powers. Now you can see the glomeruli a little clearer. You see the white space around it? That is Bowman's capsule. That's the capsular space of Bowman's capsule.
So it's actually the pink and the purple inside of that white outliner?
The thing that looks like a little fist is the glomerulus, and the white circle around it is the lumen of Bowman's capsule. Okay? Now you see the other little circles, the smaller circles around them? Those are proximal convoluted tubules and distal convoluted tubules.
What's smaller? Catherine.
All the other little white spots that you see.
Okay.
Okay?
How do you know which one's which from this far?
Wait till we go to the next power.
Okay.
Then you can tell. Okay? Now, here is a glomerulus, right here. And if you look carefully, right here, you could see the parietal layer of Bowman's capsule. Okay, the outer. Remember, there's two layers. It's like a balloon. When we did the pericardium and the flora, we had the same thing. Okay, so the visceral layer is basically what you see here over the glomerular capillaries. So each of these nuclei are actually podocytes that are wrapped around the capillary. Okay? Now you see this stalk right here? That's where blood is coming in. And this thing is a distal convoluted tubule right here. Look at how these nuclei line up real close to each other. That's a macula densa. The dense spot, the one that gives off the hormone renin. Okay. Notice it's right up against the afferent arteriole. The two are buddies. Okay. We happen to have caught right here, I was looking around, the beginning of a proximal tubule, proximal convoluted tubule. I'll show you others in just a second, but we just happened to catch on the opposite end of the blood vessel where it goes into the proximal tubule. That was just luck. Now this guy here is a proximal convoluted tubule. Look at the garbage in the lumen. Okay. Now let me give you a comparison. Here is a distal tubule. After it's already been through most of the nephron, all the stuff's been taken out. So there isn't any garbage left, pretty much. Okay? So the distal tubules look open, and the cells look small. Now the cells here look fairly thick. They're very cuboidal. These look rather small. Okay? So can you tell me, what is this tubule here?
proximal.
Why is it proximal?
Because the lumen is not.
Yeah, it's got garbage in it, and if you look on the inside in the lumen, it's rough because of the microtubules. Okay? How about this one? What is that?
Same thing.
That's proximal also. Okay? That one's distal. Look how clear it looks. Most of them are proximal that you can see here. See how rough this is on the inside? Okay? Let me move it. Okay, we're in a different location. What is this here? It's a blood vessel. Ah. Just wanted to see if you were paying attention. Okay, how about this one?
Proximal.
Proximal. Okay, you're so smart. What's this? That's a glomerulus, right. And you can see the parietal there of Bowman's capsule. Okay. Here's a distal one up here. And there's another one. Okay. Look how nice and clear those are. I think that may be one there too. See how these cells don't look as thick as these guys? Okay. Any question on proximal and distal convoluted tubules? That might show up on a lab exam. Okay? All right.